Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about article. What is an article? It is an adjective. It modifies a noun. We can divide article into two parts. The first one is definite article. That refers to specific or particular nouns. For example, I enjoyed participating in the volleyball competition. The above sentence refers to a particular or specific competition. It means I enjoyed participating in the volleyball competition. It means the competition was already definite. That's why we have used the before volleyball competition. Second sentence, I enjoyed watching the show. Here, show is also particular or specific. That's why we have used the before it. Indefinite articles a or an are called indefinite articles. They refer to a non-specific noun. The children are playing a game outdoors. It means children are playing a game, but the game is not definite. They can play any game. The artist is painting a picture. Here, the picture is not definite. When to use the? Before the names of rivers, oceans and seas, we use the, like the Red Sea. Red Sea is the name of an ocean. That's why we have used the before it. Points on the globe, particular thing. The equator. Equator is also particular, so we have used the before it. When to use the? Before the names of the parts of the world. The Middle East, the South, the North, the East, the West. These are particular directions. That's why we use the before them. Before the names of the deserts and forests also. The Sahara Desert, the Mandai Forest. When to use a? A is used before words that begin with consonants. A cat, cat, C is consonant and it gives the consonant sound also. A pencil, P is consonant and gives the sound of a consonant only. A bag, bag, B is consonant and it gives the sound of consonant. When to use an? We should use an when the first letter is H and it is silent. So, before silent H, we use N, like honest man. We don't pronounce it honest. We should pronounce it honest, and before honest, we have to put N. An honorable person. We don't pronounce it honorable, but the correct pronunciation is honorable and we have to use an before honorable. When to use an? Before all words that begin with the vowels A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are called vowels, and when the word starts with them, then we use an before them. An egg, an ant. Here you can see egg. Egg starts with E and E is vowel. Ant starts with A and A is vowel. Here also an ice cream. I is an vowel. So, we have to use N before ice cream. An orange. O, orange, starts with O and O is a vowel. Now, when U makes the same sound as the Y, we have to use a before it. U is a vowel, but when it gives the sound of Y, ya, Y in U mean ya sound when it gives, then we use A, not N before that. Like I uniform, I used plate. Use a when O makes the same sound as W in one. Mean when O gives the sound of va, we use A before that. A one-eyed monster. Now a quiz is there. Use A or N or the in each sentence. Smile spoke to woman who had waved to him. Children, what we can use here? A or the? Second sentence, my mother bought me expensive watch. Now tell me what we can use here. Third sentence is Cherry borrowed book from the library. What we can use here? A or N? The answers I am telling you. Smile spoke to the woman who had waved to him. Here the woman was particular. Which woman? Who waved to him. My mother bought me an expensive watch. Expensive starts with E and E is a vowel. Cherry borrowed a book from the library. Book starts with B and B is a consonant. That's why we have used a before book. Children, I think you have understood the concept